Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Kia Sportage here. Just going to show you how to readjust the date and time on this one. So on this one, you're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. You're going to make sure you have your ignition on. And then from here, you just click the time at the top. And then now, if you want it automatically set in your time, you just have that ticked. Or if you want it to do it manually, just untick the box, click on the date and the time there, adjust to what you need, hour and the minutes. And then when you're done, just click back. That's just saved it. And also you have the time format there, 12-hour, 24-hour clock, and the daylight saving time when it goes forward and back an hour. And that's it.